I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of John chapter 14, and I'm going to read from verse 2. This is what Jesus says. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. Verse 3. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you to myself. My brother, my sister, Jesus is saying to you and I here this morning that when he went up to heaven to go to his Father, he says he's going to prepare a place for you and I. And he says, if I go and prepare a place for you, then he will come again. If we go to the book of Acts, chapter 1, and verse, let's read from verse 9. It says, Now when he had spoken these things, while they watched, he was taken up, and a cloud received him out of their sight. Verse 10. And while they looked steadfastly toward heaven as he went up, behold, two men stood by them in white apparel. Verse 11. Who also said, Men of Galilee, why do you stand gazing up into heaven? This same Jesus who was taken up from you into heaven will so come in like manner as you saw him go into heaven. My brother, my sister, the same way Jesus went up into heaven is the same way he will come again. That is coming again on the cloud of heaven. Revelation chapter 1 and verse 7 says, Behold, he's coming with clouds. My brother, my sister, the Lord wants to say to you and I this morning that he will come again. Jesus is coming again on the cloud of heaven. The same way that Jesus went up into heaven is the same way that he will come again. He says in John 14 verse 3, And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again. That is a promise out of the word of God, my brother and my sister, that Jesus Christ will come again. He will come again. He's coming a second time, my brother and my sister, to come and fetch his church. He's promising you and I this morning, he will come again. Let us look forward to that day.